In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a page in Notion. Let's get started by opening your browser and heading to notion.com. Once you're there, click Login. If you're already signed in, you'll land on your Notion home screen. From here, move into the workspace where you want the new page to live. A workspace is simply the main area that holds your pages and projects, whether you're working solo or with a team, so choose the one that makes the most sense for this page. Now create your new page. You'll see an option labeled Create New Page. This is often in the sidebar or available with a plus button. Click it and Notion will open a fresh blank canvas. The first thing you'll want to do is give your page a clear descriptive title. This makes it easy to find later and helps you stay organized. For example, you might name it Project Plan, Meeting Notes, or Personal Dashboard, whatever matches your purpose. With the title set, start typing the content of the page right below it. Notion works like a flexible document, so you can write naturally and refine as you go. Keep your ideas flowing. You can always reorganize later, since every line you create is a movable block. To unlock more powerful formatting and content options, press the / key on your keyboard. This opens Notion's block menu. From here, you can choose different block types, such as headings to structure your information, plain text for paragraphs, and checklists for tasks. You can also add media like images and videos to make your page more visual, and insert apps and embeds to bring in calendars, roadmaps, or other tools you use. Think of blocks as building pieces that let you design the page to match your workflow. If you'd like a head start or inspiration, click Marketplace to browse templates made by others. Templates can save time by giving you a professional layout for things like to-do lists, project trackers, or note-taking systems. You can preview a template, apply it to your new page, and then customize it so it fits your style and needs. This is great when you don't want to build from scratch, and that's all you need to create a page in Notion. Go to notion.com, log in, pick your workspace, create a new page, name it, start typing, explore the / menu for blocks, and check out the marketplace if you want ready-made templates. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.